How to add multiple videos on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can actually add multiple videos on Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now adding multiple videos on Instagram story is actually quite simple. You just have to go ahead and then basically launch the Instagram app over here, and then let's say you want to add multiple videos to your story. Well, for that just tap on the your story tab over here and then just select the videos as you would normally. So you can scroll down over here and then you can select a certain video here, and then you can go ahead and select that, or you can tap the select option first. Now you can go on about selecting the videos or the footages that you'd like here. Depending on what you want, you can hit the arrow icon and all those videos will get added to your story. This way you'll be able to add multiple videos to your Instagram story. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.